You need to pay close attention to this video because you can literally make over $13.80 per click that you get on your link. And it's going to be super simple to do this because, as I said, all you need is clicks and you can make over $1,000 per 100 clicks. Once again, it's absolutely free, no investment needed. This is worldwide available, so definitely there is no excuse why you won't start making some nice amount of money with this exact same blueprint. But in order to make this work, you need to follow each and every step shown inside this video and take action right after this video ends. Go there and take action. So don't just watch this video and then complain in the comments like, it doesn't work. Well, it does work, you just didn't even try. So watch this video all the way to the end and follow each and every step. Go out there and start making money. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so both me and you know that this one is going to be absolutely insane because $13 per click equals over $1,000 once you get 100 clicks, which is really amazing. And this is worldwide available, so it doesn't matter where you are coming from. Well, this one works in all countries. So yes, it doesn't matter where you are coming from. Now before I show you the first website, you may have seen the first website, but keep watching because we're just going to be using that website to combine with some other platforms to make some decent amount of passive income with this and to actually make $30,000 per one click. And yes, you can make even more than that if you follow everything I showed you today, and as well if you follow everything until the end. Not only will you know exactly how you can do it, but I will also show you how we can maximize results because I'm going to be giving you 2 different platforms at the end of this video. So just keep watching. I will be giving you some tips and tricks along the way, so don't skip anything. With that being said, the first platform that we're going to be using is going to be warriorplus.com. Head over here, and there's going to be a sign up button right here on the right hand side corner in your screen. You will need to click on sign up. You will need to create a username, enter your email address, and create a password, and you'll be able to log into your account. And basically, how this actually works is that this place is where everyday people like vendors and affiliates can come over. Vendors can post their digital products online, and they're mainly focusing on making money online. You know, internet marketing and stuff. They're focusing on courses, trainings, and software that can help you with your affiliate business, with your affiliate marketing, basically with any of your online businesses. So it's focusing on making money online. And now, how exactly can we make money per click from this website? Well, first of all, sign up to this website. There's going to be a button right here. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log into my account by clicking on the dashboard button, and that's going to take me over to the next page. And basically, this is something that I have been using in the past, and I'm still doing it today, making passive income from this. And I'm going to show you exactly how, but we're going to be using it in some other way. Not in the way that I did it, but in a better way where you can make even more money and where you can actually make more money per click. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So this section is for vendors. That is not to us, because we are not going to be selling any products over here, because that just requires a lot of investments, and you will need to create a product or skills, experience, and other stuff, and we don't need that. We want something that is beginner friendly, then we can set it up easily, and basically, we can see that, for example, I personally have this amount of sales right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how we can set it up in just a few clicks. So what you need to do is head over to the affiliate section, and I want you to click on offers, and that's going to take you over to the top leaderboard where you can see the top products that are now selling, where you can come and you can request to be an affiliate for those products and make some amazing amount of money for every person that you send to those to the affiliate links, which is really amazing. And as I said, you can see different products over here that are selling. Here's the trick. So you can pick a random product from here. But if you really want to get better results, then you need to pay close attention to the conversion rate, to the visitor value average sale, and the refund rate. So that's what you need to pay attention to. Luckily, warriorplus.com provides all this information over here, so it's going to be easy to track that. So if the refund rate is more than 5%, then run away from that product. As you can see, I can request to become an affiliate. So I click on that, and that's gonna give me my affiliate link. With warriorplus.com, once you want to withdraw your money, they're going to be like, hey, your refund rate is pretty big. And then it doesn't feel right when you see you got a commission, and then 2 minutes later, you see they reported and you lost that money. So it doesn't feel okay. So I highly recommend you focus on those less than 5% refund rate and make sure that the conversion rate is pretty high. I'm gonna show you how we can set up that on autopilot to get targeted traffic that is actually interested in the product. So how do you check if that is something that you will be willing to promote? You will click on this option over here, and that's going to take you over to the next page where you can read more about it, find more about it, and you can see that in the commission range for this one is this amount, just from this project alone. These guys from warriorplus.com, these vendors are really good at upselling people. So most of these are going to end up as we saw. The average sale for this one is actually around this amount. And this is the rate for the value per person or per click that you get on your link. And I'm gonna show you how to set up everything, so just keep watching this video. So you can also review their sales page over here. Basically, it's something related to making money online. And you can see it's a really nice page. So take a look if it's actually something that you would like to promote. If it is, then go back here and request an approval. You can tell them like your experience with affiliate marketing and stuff. Just tell them a little bit more about yourself and then request an approval. And most of these you're going to approve you in less than 24 hours. And you will be able to grab your affiliate link and start promoting that offer. Basically with this one, the average visitor value is this amount, but you definitely have even higher ones. For example, this one is, or maybe there's something even higher that you can find on here. But mostly they're like $5 to $20 and so on and so forth. Once you get approved, just go through this section, all offers. Click on this and go to approved only, where you can find the products that you are approved to promote. Here I can grab my affiliate link. So let's say for example, I want to promote this product over here. Visitor value is this amount, which means I'm making around a decent amount of money per click, per visitor that I send to this website. So I can just click on get link, and I will be able to grab my affiliate link. I will just copy that, and now it's about time we actually promote the product. And we set it up on autopilot, so we can make some amazing passive income. Now how exactly can you do that? You can actually set this up on autopilot with 2 different platforms. You can do, for example, an Instagram page. This one is just re-uploading people's images related to making money online. So you can just search for a hashtag, like hashtag make money online, hashtag online business, hashtag affiliate marketing, and stuff like that. Just leave your affiliate link in your bio and just have some call to action like, come with my website and be successful. So we're obviously sending them some to offer to help them make money online. So you can start a page on Instagram that is relatable to making money online. And all you would have to do is follow people who are interested in making money online, or to people that are searching for how to make money online, who are engaging with posts that are related to making money online niche. And just start engaging with them. Obviously, they're going to be able to see your affiliate link. Click on that and they will be redirected to the sales page where they can read more about it and purchase that, and then we upsell it for even more money. Basically, you can find countless of these platforms that are posting something on business, and they're just, attracting people that are interested in a business, like entrepreneurs, and want to make money online. So you are just attracting that. And all you have to do is just start reposting those images and just create those pages. You will have no problem with copyrights. You do not have to create those images, or you do not have to make those photos or anything. Just start reposting that, start building that page, and just leave your affiliate link in your bio. So that is one of the ways that you can do it. Basically, we have hundreds of different examples that you can look at. Just search for Make Money Online, and to find as many of these as possible and start your own page. That is one way that you can promote your affiliate links. The second one is by going over to Facebook and just search for Make Money Online, and you can go to all these groups and just start providing some value with the people inside of the group. Start engaging with them, start building some relationship. Then you can start to send them your affiliate link. So don't just go out there and just paste your links all over there, because obviously those links are just going to get varied by thousands of new posts that are coming because of those groups that are really massive. So obviously you want to stand out by providing value and building relationship, and then once you build the relationship with them, you can send them your affiliate offers and sell them to the sale pages, where you are going to be making some decent amount of money per click that you get on that affiliate link, and of course per sale that you get for that single product as an affiliate. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.